Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this simple overall designing on the sleeves pattern. So let's quickly start with the markings. I'd be using the pure silk pink and purple combination, and we need to give the random markings like this, like the rangoli pattern markings, and on these dots I'd be applying the glue lines to stick drop shape kundans of purple color. Let it dry for some time, and now I'll show you to create this drop shape kundan into the mango shape. For that I'd be using gold zardosi, which I cut off 1.5 inches in length. Now placing all around this kundan and give the stitch like this. If you are not comfortable with the direct stitching, you can also give the marking of the mango shape. Then on that shape you can give, placing the zardosi string, give an invisible stitch to create the mango shape. So this is how you have to follow. Firstly we need to highlight this drop shape kundan, and to this tip slowly bend in the shape of the curve, and on that give an invisible stitches. Like this, on each and every drop shape kundan we have to create the mango shape like this. If it's little bit extra, we need to trim off like this, and this is how the mango shape will be created with the drop shape kundan. Now I'd be using chain ball lace to place it on these lines. So accordingly I'll place it like this and measure, cut it, and applying the glue I'll stick the chain ball lace. Once the glue is completely dried, I'll give an invisible stitches on it so that even after the frequent washes it will not come out. So this is how we have to give an invisible stitches. Like this, each and every line has to be created. The lines with the chain ball lace, and the drop shape with the mango shape elevating with the zardosi string, and the final lookout would look like this. Try this for the designing of sleeves, which will really gives very nice look. Yet it looks simple but yet stylish. You must try it. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another